Today we're going to show you how to send a text-to-pay transaction from the mobile platform of your software. So from within a work order that you're ready to charge, you want to go down to the bottom and click the Send Text-to-Pay button. This will then open up the screen with all the customer information and invoice amount already populated. Then you click Save and Send Text Message. It'll show as sent. The customer will receive a link on their phone. And then once they click that link, it'll give them a place to put in all of their customer information. And then they just click Pay. This will then pop up a screen for them to enter their credit card information. And submit payment. Once the payment is received and approved, they'll get a message, and then back in the software, from the main screen, you can click More button and then go down to Text to Pay button. This will then show you all the text to pays you have outstanding and sent, and that one will show as paid once it's received. So once you see that's paid, then you can go back into the work order to finalize it. Click Finish and then Invoice. The transaction information and authorization code will show that payments have been received, and then you just click Finalize, and you're done. Thanks for watching.